Do you know, as you are a creative professional, you have only 3 seconds to impress your potential clients on your website. And for more creative professionals, your website isn't helping you, it's actually hurting you. The problem is simple. Most portfolio websites built to be galleries where you just dump all your works. But a busy creative director or a potential client isn't there to be browse. They're on your website to solve their problem. They need to know in a second that you are the right person for their project. A cluttered and confusing website make them feel stressed, not impressed. And a stressed visitor always click away. And this is where it gets worse. Every time a potential client leaves your site confused, you are not just losing a visitor, you are losing a high-value project. You are losing a chance to build your brand. Your website design like a frame for a masterpiece. If the frame is cheap or distracting, it makes the masterpiece itself looks less variable. Your brilliant work deserves better fame. So what's the solution? You have to stop thinking your website as a gallery and start thinking of it as a guided tour. This is the exact philosophy we used when we building the new portfolio for the brilliant 3D artist Saiful Islam. First, we made the art the hero. We used a deep dark design. This makes his colorful 3D work pop, just like a masterpiece in a quiet museum. Second, we make it incredibly easy to understand his service. In one glance, a client knows exactly what he can do for them. No confusion. Third, we made it perfect for mobile. Because today, your next big client might find you on Instagram while waiting for a copy. The result? A website that doesn't just show his work, it sells his expertise. Your portfolio is most important sales tool you have. If you are a creative professional who feel like your website isn't doing your talent justice, let's talk. I can help you digital stage your work deserve. The link in the description below. Follow me for more information.